Hello everybody. I'm sure that is one you'll see. I think that was start from like 9 something. Continue. Okay, go on. Talk.
Sorry. Thank you very much. Please, follow by the ṣe tí wọ́n. Fásitì kágò ni wọ́n ṣe. Kágò.
Mo ń try láti make sure pé mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn kéèyàn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí gbọ́ díẹ̀díẹ̀ kéèyàn má kàn ká má kàn máa sọ ọ̀rọ̀ ó máa ní kéèyàn ọ̀rọ̀ máa sọ one after the other ká máa yanjú ẹ̀ ní ẹsẹẹsẹ ní kọ̀ọ̀kan. Sorry o, I'm new to this but so then pay me to forward the call. Let me start from, I'm trying to start from like 11 or 12. Then for sorry Kiwi. Yeah, that's it. Oh shit. Still low. I think it's okay now. Okay. Hello. Sorry, ẹ má bínú. Ẹ má bínú. Ṣé ń gbọ́ mi sìn? Can you hear me, please? Tẹ́ bá ti gbọ́ mi, please let me know. Thank you. Ẹ ṣé o. Thank you. Ẹ ṣé o. Thank you. Oh, interesting. Thank you. Thank you. Ẹ ṣé o. Okay, mo fẹ́ pause because mo fẹ́ make a point kékeré kan. Nípa ọ̀rọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń lọ yìí. Ká tiẹ̀ tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ rárá. For everybody láti kọ́kọ́ mọ̀ wípé ẹni yóò ní interest nínú ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ. Ó kàn fẹ́ destroy ayé mi ni. Àtijọ́ táwọn ọmọ ti wà lọ́wọ́ mi kó tó lọ ṣe jingle tó ní òun wá èèyàn tí ò sọnù. Ẹ bá mi ní pé kókó call logs jáde. Ṣó ever pè mí rí wípé jẹ́ kí n wo àwọn ọmọ yìí. Jẹ́ kí n kí àwọn ọmọ yìí. Never. He never did any such thing. Ó go all out to war ni. Which is just to show pé kò ní interest nínú ọmọ, kò fẹ́ ọmọ kankan, tó fẹ́ kò ní ọmọ kankan. It's all about him. It's all about what he wants. And the only thing tí máa ń fẹ́ is to keep me in perpetual slavery. Kí n wà níbẹ̀ fún as a slave, as kó máa lò mí bí ẹrú, kí n má ní life. Tí máa fi darúgbó tí mi tiẹ̀ ní useful for anything mọ́. So I just want to clarify pé kò pè mí rí o pé ẹ jẹ́ n kí ọmọ o, kò ń ṣe pé ń ṣe ló pè mí. Mo ní láíláí ò lè bọ́mọ sọ̀rọ̀ àbí ò lè kí ọmọ àbí anything. O mọ̀ pé ọ̀mí ni mo wá mọ́ ọmọ. Ó jẹ́ ò pè mí pé jẹ́ n kí ọmọ. That is one. There's another thing tí mo tún fẹ́ point out pé mo lọ fi gunmen kó àwọn ọmọ. It's not even true. Kí ni mo need the gunmen fún láti lọ kó àwọn ọmọ? After this show, after this tí mo ń ṣe lọ́wọ́ broadcast yìí, màá post video the very like 10 minutes lẹ́yìn tí mo kó àwọn ọmọ yẹn. I will post a video of reaction àwọn ọmọ yẹn. Everybody will see. I will still post some things on my page for people to read it and decipher. Mi ò ń ṣe èèyàn tó máa parọ́ mọ́yàn. I am very private. Mo dẹ̀ ti ní sùúrù gan, as in mo ti ní sùúrù gan. This man has put me through hell. For láti ìgbà tí mo ti ní I'm done with this relationship. It is one battle after the other. One battle after the other. It is hard to understand and it's hard to say in one guinea. But mo ti make up mind mi pé nobody can explain to the world what I've been through in this man's hands. Ju èmi fúnra mi lọ. It is not even something tí mo fẹ́ lọ sọ fún èèyàn kan pé kó bá mi sọ, or mo fẹ́ sọ ní one show, or mo fẹ́ ṣe calling show kan, èèyàn kan sọ. It is too much. The way it is, in fact, mo ti make up mind mi sí pé no matter what, every day, even if it's just 30 minutes, mama wá síta wá sọ one thing or the other tó tí mo dẹ̀ lè back everything up. I remember him saying pé òun máa back gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ òun up pẹ̀lú proof. Ma appreciate tó bá lè back it up pẹ̀lú proof yẹn. And tí n bá rí pé ṣe ahead, there's something ọkọ àti ìyàwó ni wá. Ó mama siregun wípé òun fún mi ní owó 200,000 láti sin ṣe òkú. Uncle mi kú, ó fún mi 50,000, ó dẹ̀ sì níwègùn fún mi. Gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tí ó yẹ pé you can't even believe it. Somebody who calls himself who, in fact, mo ti hide many things. Àwọn ẹbí mi mama ní mi ò ṣe, èmi ni mama ṣe kan mà lóhun ló ń ṣe. This is somebody that never gave my mother money. Owó oúnjẹ kò fún ìyá mi rí. Ó lọ Èkó, ó lọ sọ fún mọ́mì mi pé màá máa fún yín 5,000 lóṣooṣù. My mother was happy. She said, bá mi dúpẹ́ fún ọkọ ẹ o. Ó lóun màmá fún mi ní 5,000 owó oúnjẹ. First month, second month, third month, mo ní ṣé bí wọ́n lo ní o máa fún màmí lówó oúnjẹ. Ó ní ṣé ìyá ẹ lójú kòkòrò ni? Ó jókòó sí orí property, ó ń gba over 1 million naira. Ṣé gbogbo rent tó ń gbà nílé yẹn ṣé kò tó jẹ ni? Ó tún wá owó mi sí. That is the man I married. And he wanted me to continue to live in his house and stay there forever. Kì í ṣáà máa jẹ̀yà yẹn lọ. So, somebody said, did I collect the child with gun? Kí ló fẹ́ fàbọn? Kí ni why? Why collect the child with gun? Gun for what? Ṣé ó lè dúró síwájú mi ní kó ní kí n má kọ́ àwọn ọmọ mi? Ṣé ń gbọmọ lọ́wọ́ wèrè ni? Ṣé anybody lè lọ fojú korojú gbọmọ lọ́wọ́ wèrè ni? Kí ni dé tí mo fẹ́ lọ gbébọn torí pé mo fẹ́ gba àwọn ọmọ mi? Màá send after this broadcast, I will forward the day I collected the children, how they reacted. And Mother sent so many other things. No, people can go there and read it. There are some correspondences still we call no dem ma bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí play kini ìpadà nsìn, so we can start taking it one after the other. I hope everybody got the nǹkan. I hope everybody can hear the video being played. The voice notes don't play. The professor or two for 2 hours and hours. Can Aberelati be by sin? I have never one day claimed ní orí ìgbà tí Mrs. Esabod pè mí lánàá. Mo sọ fún wọn straight away wípé surrogacy la fi bí àwọn ọmọ yìí. I never ever said pé èmi ni mo bí àwọn ọmọ yìí. So that is a komati sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́bẹ̀ yẹn. Surrogacy ni. Ó dẹ̀ ti dárúkọ hospital tá dẹ̀ ti bí wọn, and we signed. So bí ó ṣe wá àwọn èèyàn tó tiẹ̀ mú wá wonder, èèyàn tó pèrè ní learned person tó lóun lọ sí school. Ẹjọ́ ṣé tí èèyàn bá lọ adopt ọmọ tí wọ́n kó document léèyàn lọ́wọ́ pé àwọn ọmọ yìí ó ti adopt wọn o, ṣé ó níyàn kan tó máa lọ bá wọn pé àwọn ọmọ yìí ò ń ṣe tiwọn mọ́ ni? Because let's think about this. Ó ní pé nítorí pé wọ́n ló donate sperm, ìyẹn automatically make the mother, the father of the children, the owner of the children. Kò sí now the same right tí ó ní lèmi náà ní. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, we did it legally. So bó ṣe wá ń behave, ó wà mind-boggling for somebody who calls himself a learned person. And there's nothing, ó mọ nǹkan tó ṣe o. Ó mọ nǹkan tó ṣe, ó fẹ́ dojú ọ̀rọ̀ rú, kí gbogbo ẹ̀ dé orí rú, because ó ti mọ nature mi pé nǹkan máa ń pin mí lẹ́mìí quickly. Ṣé wá rí, ó ti dojú ẹ̀ báyìí. Wọ́n ní tó bá di ojú kéèyàn yàgbẹ́, ó ti di dandan kí ìgbẹ́ yẹn jábọ́ fúnra ara ẹ̀, kò nídìí pé kéèyàn tẹ̀ make any effort mọ́. So it is now at that point that we are now. So kó má feel pé bóyá máa jókòó sí corner kan máa bẹ̀rù ẹ wípé mi fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ sí. No, I will do this. I will do this. And mi wá ń rò lọ́kàn mi pé tí èèyàn ò bá tiẹ̀ ní àròjinlẹ̀, kó ṣáà máa bà nǹkan jẹ́ ni. The most negative person ever tó wà láyé yìí. When I was married to him, many things ni mama pariwo pé kí ló dé? Kí ló dé? Why are you doing this? Why are you so negative? Why do you want to do this? Nígbà tó jẹ́ director ní NIMC. Gbogbo many things tó yẹ pé mo máa ń sọ pé no, why are you doing this? Má jẹ́ kó fi ẹ́ ṣe lé, má jẹ́ kó fi ẹ́ ṣe yẹn. Ìgbà tó lọ fẹ́ sáàkì, ìwọ náà ní kó máa sign paper. Mo ní why? These people, you came there, you are not even spent 1 year. Wọ́n ti ní pé kó máa bá many things. Mama bá wípé no, stop it. You don't have to be the one to mama wà ní negative aspect. Everything about him is all about negativity. And I tried my best many times. Pé ṣé àti ẹ̀ ní sùúrù. Gbogbo kíní yóò ní ìdí pé kò dẹ̀ wá gbé nǹkan kó. Ó bá fẹ́ báyọ̀ já ẹ̀ báyìí. Ó máa ní àmì master planner. Ogun ni. Màá finish ẹ̀. Màá bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́. Kí ló dé? Ṣé ogun láyé ni? Ẹjọ́ kí la wá ń fà? Me and this man, kí la wá ń fà? I try to look at it. Lórí pé máa lọ ń lo ẹ̀. I'm not the first person tó máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ fún o. Ó ti ṣe fún first wife ẹ̀. Irọ́ burúkú iná ni, irọ́ ńláńlá. Mi ò ever ní èmi ni mo bí àwọn ọmọ. I never said it. Even anybody tó bá lọ wo show Mrs. Esabod lánàá, wọ́n máa gbọ́ mo sọ clearly. These children were from surrogacy. Hospital records wà ńbẹ̀. Àjọ lọ síbi àjọ fi ọwọ́ síwèé ni, àjọ sign ni. So let's continue to hear him. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, mo fẹ́ dáhùn question kan. Téèyàn kan bí mi, wọ́n ní why did you take the children back to Nigeria where children are not safe anymore? Yes, màá sọ reason. This gbogbo wa okay, ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ó ti fẹ́ jump the gun, but I will just glance over it because nǹkan mi ṣe àwọn nǹkan mi tó yẹ kí yàn ti sọ kó tó di bí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn bọ́mọ ṣe dé Nàìjíríà ó ń sọ lọ́wọ́. But the reason why I took the children to Nigeria was I had a mini stroke. Èmi àti máa yìí ní àti wà separated. Mo ti wà ní ilé ìjọba ní Navan. I went to Navan, to the women's center there, when he was beating me up mercilessly. So after ọjọ́ tí there was a day tí mo lọ kọ́ àwọn ọmọ yẹn school. Records are there. So máa jẹ́ kí èèyàn rí gbogbo kìíní. Ẹni tó bá dẹ̀ ready láti find out. Tó bá lọ sí hospital ní Island or tó bá tẹ̀ béèrè. Tó bá tẹ̀ lọ sí school àwọn ọmọ. Tó lọ béèrè lọ́wọ́ àwọn bíi teachers. These things they can easily verify them. So mo fẹ́ lọ gbé àwọn ọmọ yẹn ní school. So I collapsed and I fainted. Wọ́n wá pe minder. kó wá kó àwọn ọmọ wọ́n wá gbé mi pẹ̀lú ambulance lọ sí Blanchard Town Hospital. Wọ́n wá treat mi ní Blanchard Town Hospital. Mo spend one night ńbẹ̀. Mo wá sílé. Mo wá délé. The second night, this man started to beat me. This man started to beat me up. The second day, tí wọ́n discharge me. Kò dẹ̀ ṣe pé kíní cousin mi wà nílé wa. That's another topic for another day. Ọ̀rọ̀ cousin mi tí ó ń bá wa gbé, who I brought from Nigeria. Somebody called me earlier. Wọ́n ní òun lòun mú wá. Bímbọ́ lórúkọ cousin mi yẹn. Màá ní pé tọ̀ kí Bímbọ́ wá sọ. Ìyá Bímbọ́ wà láyé. Ìgbà tí ó tiẹ̀ dojú ẹ̀ tá ti sanwó gbogbo visa Bímbọ́, which ìyẹn náà, of course, èèyàn bá ti múyàn wá sílùú òyìnbó, ibi náà máa fi ń súyàn. Tá ti sanwó tán tó kù 200 visa tó kù tickets. I think I had about 100,000. Ticket was 270 something thousand. Mo wá bẹ̀ ọkọ mi, mo bẹ̀ tí pé jọ̀ọ́ bá mi fi anything at all sí. Ọmọ mi tó wá gbé jáde tó ní pé kíní ìyẹn ló wá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá fi owó sí owó ticket yẹn tó fi di pé cousin mi yẹn náà dé. Mo rántí jọ́ tó ọmọdé ìdé tó bá ń wò mí Bímbọ́, wọ́n ti jọ́ tó wọ ìlú yìí. Mo jó mo yo. Mo jó mo yo. But at the end, ibi ni mo gbà ń díẹ̀. Sometimes people will be in your life, they make you question yourself. They make you question who you are. Pé ṣé mi náà mo bad tó yìí ni? Kí ni mo ṣe? But do you know what I've realized? Pé tí èèyàn bá ti wà tó ti wà too quiet, they see you as a fool and they want to continue to ride on you. There is a concrete agreement between us. Ipe a máa kó àwọn ọmọ lọ sí Nigeria. There is a concrete mother fever. Unfortunately, mi ò mọ bí wọ́n ṣe máa ń mi tí mọ̀ máa kọ́ mo máa kọ́ pa. Mi mọ bí wọ́n ṣe bóyá mo máa screenshot ibi tèmi àti ẹ̀ ti jọ agree pé à ń kó àwọn ọmọ lọ sí Nigeria. Because at the peak point I call my loss in Nigeria, they were going to school once a week, one day in a week. Like almost in lost school. Once it becomes so unruly, Tusla is aware of everything. Tusla monk pie. And I knew in my mind that something is not right. Pẹ̀lú ọmọ yìí because nígbà tí èmi àti ẹ̀ tí a ti jọ gbé. Àwọn ọmọ yìí nǹkan kò ṣe wọ́n. When we came to Ireland in 2018, òun ò tí wá bá wa gbé until 2019. 2018 was a blissful year. Ó kàn máa wá á lọ, á wá á lọ, á wá á lọ. So it's not like nǹkan kan ṣe àwọn ọmọdé yìí. The minute tá jọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí gbé báyìí, àwọn ọmọ yìí kàn di nǹkan míì. Wọ́n di ẹ̀hànnà. What the school expelled them. All lossy angel faces ní Enfield. Anybody tó bá ní ọmọ ní Enfield. Anybody tó bá ní ọmọ ní Enfield angel faces. They can tell you pé ẹ̀kọ́ làwọn ọmọ mi lọ sí school ní Enfield ní angel faces. They were spoiled rotten to the core. Tí ó tiẹ̀ sí pé bóyá ó ti fẹ́ máa di nǹkan mi. I will come to that later. And I'm not just going to say it. My fiscal reports, my screenshot it. Or king bewa king ka or king show a back on because mama try láti copy moshe mama show send the video or kilonje or screenshot or WhatsApp. You were divorced in 2017. Yes, there is a reason and I will explain why it's our divorce in 2017. But me mo boya ṣé ká máa ṣe bí question and answer by àbí kí máa play kíní lọ. Àbí kí máa play lọ ká máa solve one by one because me mo which one is better now because there were so many questions tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ tó mò ń rí. I divorced in 2017. There is a reason to have divorced in 2017. Gbogbo nǹkan nípa ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ọmọ yẹn. Back up. Okay, back up. kò yé mi back up. Okay, so ṣé kẹ́ máa play ẹ lọ àbí kí n down question divorce yẹn. Okay, question divorce kí n máa play ẹ. Okay, because question divorce yẹn mo máa ṣàlàyé fún everybody how it came to be, and divorce yẹn àlàyé yẹn á lè yé everybody clean and clear. Okay, ẹ jẹ́ kí n play show ngba yẹn, ẹ jẹ́ kí n máa play ẹ lọ. Can I stop this? I want to stop it, please. I want to stop it. This is a big lie. There was never a time tí kò mọ̀ bí ọ̀rọ̀ both sperm and egg ṣe jẹ́. It's not possible. Okay, ẹ jẹ́ kí n béèrè question nítorí nǹkan mi ó máa ń rú èmi lójú. Ó sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ sí pé òun ò mọ̀ ń pa egg or no egg, pé nígbà tí àwa fẹ́ lọ sí embassy tí wọ́n béèrè DNA ni òun ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gbọ́ wípé egg kò ń ṣe tèmi. This is not true. This is a big lie. This is not true at all. This is a very, very big lie. Nígbà tá fẹ́ ṣe èkíní, both of us la ní issues. I was already 45 years old. And the reason tí mi ò fi bímọ fún, mo ṣì máa analyze the reason yẹn ní orí one of the shows, not today because it's too long. It's too long. Mo dẹ̀ máa fi prove on everybody. Don't forget, this man said I have his laptop. Laptop yẹn ṣì ń bọ̀ ní orí Facebook yìí. Laptop yẹn ó ń bọ̀ ní orí Facebook yìí. Everybody will see that laptop. The whole world is going to see that laptop. Tí wọ́n bá ń sọ pé pervert, this man is an understatement. In fact, I am so thankful to my God that I came out of this marriage alive. Because the way things were going, at the end of the day, I might just end up in a body bag. The way this man would make sure I don't even see anything. And the reason to me, Emi Hotel, I gbé laptop for any sinister reason. Mo kàn bínú jọ́ yẹn jọ́ tí mo lọ mú one or two things. Gbogbo ẹrù mi, ma show everybody ẹni tí mo gbé ní ilé ẹ̀ tí mo bá ọkọ tí mo fẹ́ for ages. Ma post bí ó ṣe kó ẹrù tó kọ Fúnṣọ́ Alágbèrè tó dẹ̀ post here from Abuja tó dẹ̀ post here Seko. I will post it. Everybody will see it. Láì ṣe pé bóyá mo ṣe é mo rò ẹ́ mi ò mọ nǹkan tí ó dé tó yẹn kí ló le tó yẹn tó bá tiẹ̀ bá mi tí mo bá ọkùnrin nínú ilé ẹ pé mo ṣé ó wá yẹ kó tún wá tó yìí ni. Anyway, there was no time. I was already 45 years. Òun fúnra rẹ̀ kò tiẹ̀ possible. Kò possible pé kó lè fún obìnrin lóyún at that point anymore. Because ó ti wà addicted to porn for ages and ages and ages and ages. Porn is his life. Ìgbà tí mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ fẹ́ máa yìí, ó máa wà ìgbà yẹn kò tí sí phone and all that. Laptop ni ó máa ń gbé. Èmi àti lọ máa po tíì. My darling, ó gbéṣẹ́ wá láti ibi iṣẹ́, ó ń ṣiṣẹ́. Mama dín ẹran, mama dín ìgbín. Ọkọ mi ń ṣiṣẹ́, ọkọ mi gbé iṣẹ́ ìpọ̀ o. Iṣẹ́ ìpọ̀ gan. Jẹ́ kí n gbóúnjẹ fọ́kọ mi, jẹ́ po tíì fún jẹ́ ṣe. One day mo kàn gbọ́ ikọ̀ bóyá ó kàn gbàgbé ra bí mo kàn ṣe gbọ́ a bit of noise. Mo wá rò pé kí ló dún bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Mo wá mo ṣọ́. Mo kàn sáré lọ wo laptop yẹn ni mo ní so porn ni bọ̀bọ́ yìí ń wò every single night. Tí mi dẹ̀ máa gbé tì fún ẹ tí mo rò bí iṣẹ́ ló ń ṣe, àṣẹ porn ló máa ń wò. Ó ti wo porn títí kò sí nǹkankan mọ́, kò sí anything mọ́. I'm sorry, this is a bit vulgar, But this is a man that will sleep with you and he will never ejaculate. Kò ní come. No matter what you do, kò lè come. Ó ṣe máa lọ toilet. I'm not mi ò bá jẹ́. Ọlọ́run rí inú mi. Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ rí pé this is the truth. Ó wá máa lọ toilet, á ṣe lọ relieve ara ẹ̀. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ báwo lèèyàn fẹ́ fi lóyún? Báwo lèèyàn ṣe fẹ́ lóyún? How báwo lèèyàn ṣe fẹ́ lóyún? I didn't even get angry. I still stood by this man. I'm in it with him. We are all in this together. We are all in this together. Let me just ode ba therapy, ode ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀, ade wa okay, everything there wa okay. And I didn't even criticize. I didn't moko wí pé well, maybe during the years he didn't have a wife. He started to use such things to ease his sexual things. So at the end of the day, get addicted to it. You understand? So that's good enough. Ade overcome back. You ṣe pé bóyá much no, but at least it was overcome at that point. So ẹjọ́ bí eré ọjọ́ ń lọ àsìkò ń gorí àsìkò obìnrin ò kí ń pọ̀ pé kó má ṣe anything at time obìnrin kò kí ń pọ̀. So mo wá wò pé ká lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣe IVF. We started, the first IVF was in 2009. Àwọn èèyàn wà láyé, people are not dead. Tí wọ́n lè sọ pé mi mo má bí wọ́n tó bá ní kí dárúkọ àwọn má dárúkọ àwọn. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi tí mo gbé nílé ẹ̀, the first time tí mo kọ́kọ́ lọ ṣe the first IVF ní Abuja ní National Hospital. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi yẹn di ọlá. Èmi àti ẹ̀ ọmọ ìyá pé a kì í fi bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ dáadáa mọ́ ni. Because ìgbà tí mo gbélé ẹ̀, mo wà ńbẹ̀, owó tí mo kó dání ó tán, mo yáwó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Ìgbà tí mo yáwó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, ó ń wò pé ọkọ ẹ̀ máa dé. Ọkọ ẹ̀ máa dé, ó máa fún un lówó òun. Ọkọ ẹ̀ máa fún un lówó òun and all that. So, I'm sorry, and tó sọ pé Facebook ò lè solve problem yẹn. No problem. I think at this point, ẹni tó gbé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí wá sí orí Facebook, ẹni yẹn ló yẹ kí èèyàn bá béèrè. Because èmi náà máa rò mo ní why go to this extent? Why go to this extent when onomo tó níyàwó tó ṣe ìwọlé ọkọ? Kí ni effect kini yẹn? Why do all this? Ṣé ó fi pé somebody wants to ruin my life? So at a point, I will still stay it. Whatever happens, whatever the children, and it is even for the children. This is for the children's sake. They need to even know what their mother has gone through. In fact, me or anything to affect our children. Anybody but if I make jest of me, I can't stop the person. And it's your test on Facebook gan, and when you make jest of any, so mo sorry gan. Nípa pé mo fẹ́ make jest of me or not. I don't really want to. I've gone past that stage. That is the stage I was when things continue to happen to me. Tí mi ò dẹ̀ ṣe nǹkan kan pa tí mo wò pé ada. So nísìnyí mo ti kúrò ní stage pé wọ́n fẹ́ make jest of me. People are free to make jest of me. I just have to say this because èèyàn ò lè máa parọ́ mọ́ mi lójúkorojú. Irọ́ tí ò tẹ̀ bòyàn lẹ́yìn ẹsẹ̀ kó dẹ̀ continue láti máa pa lọ. Anyway, nípa ọ̀rọ̀ pé àwa méjèèjì we were already, of course, at 45. Ẹjọ́ egg wo ni wọ́n fẹ́ rí? Not wípé mi ò donate egg. I did. Bó ṣe wà yẹn, I don't understand. Kò sọ̀rọ̀ pé ẹ̀ntọ́ lo egg ẹ̀. I know the person. I chose the person anyway. So, both mine and the person's eggs. Fún surrogacy yẹn. But ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run mo wá ń wò nú ọkàn mi wọ́n ní kí àgbà tí British mo dẹ̀ sọ fún ẹ from day one mo ní please I don't want to go down the route of surrogacy of a DNA lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ọmọ yìí. You can do it. We know it's 100% yours. But what if ìkan náà ọmọ yẹn àwa lọ ṣe surrogacy ìkan wá jẹ́ tèmi ìkan wá jẹ́ ti donor. Ṣé mo wá máa ń love èyí tó jẹ́ ti donor ju tèmi lọ ni? Àbí báwo ló yẹ fẹ́ kí mental health mi? How do you want me to cope? Will I now separate these children? Will I not love both of them? No. Jeko wa bó ṣe wà. I will never do this DNA. Both of them are my children and I love them both equally. Now, what 2015, size 12-14 ni mi. 12-14 ni mi. Mo breastfeed àwọn ọmọ yìí. Now, picture what I went through. Picture what I went through. Láti breastfeed ọmọ without getting pregnant. Picture the changes in my life, in my body, and all the things still lè ṣẹlẹ̀ ní future. I didn't think about it. Selflessly, mo fi ìfẹ́, mo fi ṣe. Àwọn ọmọ náà dẹ̀ nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi. There is no doubt about it. I'm going to play you so many videos to show you that these children, tí wọ́n wá sọ fún àwọn ọmọ ọdún mẹ́fà, wípé àwọn ọmọ ọdún mẹ́rin márùn pé ìyá wọn ti ṣaláìsí. Ẹ wá lọ sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ fún àwọn ọmọ pé ìyá yín ti kú o. Màá play voice note àwọn ọmọ fún yín tí wọ́n ní they told us you were dead. Àwọn ọmọ ní are we dreaming? Mommy, is this you? Didn't you die? No, I didn't die. I'm alive. I'm alive. I never died. So, ọ̀rọ̀ pé bóyá mi ò sọ fún yẹn, please let's remove it. We both knew what we're getting into. There's no, but okay, mo lòun wá dúró sí tí mi ò ní sọ fún tí mo dẹ̀ máa ṣe. So all of those things mo dẹ̀ ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀. Kò dẹ̀ sí ńbẹ̀. Then kí wá ló claim ọmọ fún? Then he has no part to play in it now. Ó mọ̀ pé mo donate. Surrogate náà dẹ̀ donor náà dẹ̀ donate. I think I should just concentrate. Donor náà dẹ̀ donate, èmi náà dẹ̀ donate. So, tí ó ọmọ kan bá jẹ́ tèmi, tí kan bá jẹ́ tèlòmíì, màá ní ọmọ yẹn ní tèmi. Kò possible. Kò possible. This is how it happened. And that is how it happened. Mi ò ready láti ṣe DNA. Nobody can even force me to do it. The children are mine. The children are mine. They are my children and I love both of them equally. There's no question of it. Mi ò dẹ̀ ní ṣe forever and ever. Because I don't want to know. I don't want to know. And this is the same way tí mo bá tọ́ àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú fẹ́, with love. Mo bá tọ́ àwọn ọmọ yẹn. Ìgbà tí mo tẹ̀ wá rí pé ọmọ ò wá, mo sọ fún mo ní well between us àti lọ́mọ mẹ́ta. Jẹ́ ká máa tọ́ àwọn eléyìí. Ká dẹ̀ encourage wọn kó tètè fẹ́yàwó, kó tètè mọ́kọ wálé. So that a lè máa tètè di grandma, a dẹ̀ máa ṣọmúgọ̀ kiri. At the end of the day, màá show yín ní reason tó fi di pé òun ó kúnlẹ̀ bá ó bẹ̀ mí ni pé àwọn ọmọ eléyìí wọn kò sọ̀rọ̀ ńbẹ̀ o. Kò sọ̀rọ̀ ńbẹ̀ o. Àwọn eléyìí bá damage goods ni wọ́n o. I need children at all costs. Inú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí, ọ̀rọ̀ ti pọ̀ jù. Ọ̀rọ̀ ti pọ̀ jù. Ayi máa sọ gbogbo ẹ̀ náà anyway because I cannot not say it. I cannot not say it o. I cannot not say it. I have to say it. Mrs. Jaye, àbí Mr. Jaye, sorry. It's past that stage now. Àti kọjá stage yẹn. Àsìkò tí ẹ̀rù máa ń bà mí láti face crowd ó ti kọjá. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Ìyẹn ti kọjá. So let's go on. He knows what was going down. He knows everything. My eggs and we got a donor egg as well. Mo dẹ̀ ní mi ò ní ṣe DNA. ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo fẹ́ sọ another thing nípa ọ̀rọ̀ pé ó mú mi wá láti Nàìjíríà. Mo fẹ́ béèrè ó wá síbí as time wo ni náà o ìgbà tó wá ó wá ní February 20 no January 2006 ó wá ní February 2006. At the end mo lọ bá pẹ̀lẹ́sẹ̀ mi o. This is somebody tí ẹ bèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ pé lẹ́tà wo ló fi invite mi wá sí embassy. Ṣé òun ló mú mi wá ìlú òyìnbó ni? Èmi àtọmọ mi I was working as àwọn èèyàn mọ̀ mí. Mo wà ní Airways for 13 years. When I left Nigeria Airways, mo lọ ṣiṣẹ́ ní Seychelles, mo lọ ṣiṣẹ́ ní East Africa. I've worked in like at least ó kéré jù 15 African countries, 6 month contract. I'm a biostatistician for God's sake. So báwo ló ṣe jẹ́ pé mi ò rí visa gbà? Ṣé wọ́n ló mú mi àtọmọ mi wá sí òyìnbó? Because mo ń try láti wò. Mo fẹ́ try láti wò pé ó ń sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé ó lọ mú mi nínú ìgbẹ́ kan àbí ó lọ mú mi nínú igbó kan. That's not true now. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ẹ ní anything. Ṣé as a Nigeria Airways staff, ṣé mi ò ní tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì láti wá sí òyìnbó ni? Àbí because kò yé mi, mo ń ṣiṣẹ́ ní Nigeria Airways. I was there from the age of 18 to the age of 31. There are people alive tó mọ̀ mí dáadáa ní Airways. There are people tó mọ̀ mí dáadáa ní Airways. There are people who knows me in Seychelles. There are people who knows me in Uganda. There are people who knows me in Zambia. There are people who knows me in Gambia. There are people kí ló dé ó dé sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé ó lọ mú mi nínú igbó. Ó lọ sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé ó mú mi nínú igbó. Kò yé mi. I came to London láti wá meet ẹni because we met and we had agreed pé okay wá sí London. Ó sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé this is somebody mú mi wá lóyìnbó. Mú ọmọ mi wá nílùú sí lóyìnbó. Mo wá bá ẹni. Ó dẹ̀ ṣe HSMP nígbà yẹn. Ó lọ HSMP ìwọ náà fi wá. Ìgbà tí mo dẹ̀ dé ìwọ náà tí níwèé. Àjọ wà tí àjọ níwèé ni. Ìgbà tí ó di dandan even kó tiẹ̀ jẹ́ ọmọ oko náà ló lọ mú. Ṣé kò ní níwèé ni? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé wọ́n nìkan ni ó ní British passport ní ayé yìí ni? Ṣé tí n bá tiẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣé mi tí n bá fẹ́ ní British passport ṣé mi ò lè gba route tí wọ́n náà gbà ni àbí mi ò qualify ni láti ṣe the same HSMP? Okay, tí n bá tiẹ̀ wá ṣe HSMP kémi náà lọ sí ìlú òyìnbó ọ̀hún ṣé mi ò wá lè fi ọkọ mi kó fi tìdùnnú mú mi lọ sí ìlú òyìnbó ni? Because mo wá rò títí pé ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ìlú òyìnbó yìí ló jọ ẹ́ lójú tó mama ní òun mú mi wá sí mú mi wá sí ìlú òyìnbó náà mo wá bá ẹ ní ìlú òyìnbó ni? Ìwọ kọ́ ló mú mi lọ ìlú òyìnbó. Stop saying that you didn't pick me from the bush. I was working ẹnu iṣẹ́ ni mo wà. I was an officer I was an administrative officer ní parts l'Abuja. Àwọn colleagues mi wà láyé.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.